So hello guys, welcome to another um, video on GM Naroditsky. Passes at 29. So I searched on chess.com and find that last 18th October he played online games, last games, um, and I found a win own game with GM. Maybe he is I chess Q. Looking Nepo Miyashi actually. I want to show it. So Nepo played white, Naroditsky playing black pieces. It's a 3 minutes game. So it was a nice fighting. And after that game, maybe all the games he lost. The opponent was Mihail Sarin. Maybe in his last stream, but I missed that stream. Everybody should see that last stream. Maybe before his death, 3 days ago he streamed. Maybe it is the 18th October. Okay, here Nepo King F1 and the openings, and after the Queen F1 we are going. So Nepo is looking, that means attacking on the king side, and yeah, this knight can capture anytime the bishop on d3, but he captured a pawn, make a double pawn, and activated the bishop. So they are 3000 rated, so it is tough to understand and quick game, but you can understand after the move, after the any win or any loss we can see the position, then we can. So here maybe Daniel got a pawn, and I made a video on his best game of his age of 12, under 12, and maybe he got a prize for that, gold in under 12 world championship. So that video was ranking good in my channel. You can. So here you see narrows king's queen side, but many pawns in Daniel's king queen side, and the rooks are disconnected, but Daniel's rooks need connected. Hope it will connect. So you see, so Nepo is attacking Hughes with queen, rook, and bishop is so good here. Sorry, the bishop on e4, it's so good, but Daniel defending better all time king move. So here was the killer pawn move before this queen. So yeah, rook can capture a free pawn here, so that's why the pawn is pinned, so that's why you must go back. So now the one pawn has given, but this bishop will be exchanged now, and yeah, now it is exchanged, and now all pieces are aligned in the C file. Good, looking good in 21 seconds, and Daniel is fighting with the time, struggling with the time, but I think he's fine. They are so expert. Both players are expert. Daniel is Nepo has 3200 plus rating here. So here capture, and you see with the extra pawn Daniel is dominating. Just giving as a tribute and just watching or learning his games. So here the extra pawn will be converted, you can see, but many checks. But yeah, Nepo is trying to do a time flag Daniel. still fight 3 seconds, but playing so good with 2 queen now in the board. Just you need to cover the check. Oh, queen is given free because of time pressure. Nepo lost the queen. Still it is not tough to win in 1 second. So tough to make pre-moves or anytime I still made it. So this is the end win, last win game from Daniel. Oh, and shocking device, and talented players should not leave this world so early. So hope you like my videos. Please